Alright friends, it's probably been like a month since I last did one of these self photos. What do you call those? I don't know. Anyways, so the whole roof is now fully insulated, and yeah, I'm just kind of jumping through the progress as I go in this episode because I really want to just focus on getting this thing done, because each day the shop isn't done is money out of my pocket. It's time to get this thing going. So yeah, what time is it now? Let me just double check. It is 2:11 in the morning, and I'm down here. I've just finished off the insulation on the roof, so progress continues. Yeah, I'm tired. This is pretty cool, dudes. I noticed this, like someone was like, "Oh, I suck at driving this boat." That I had Andy over here working for me. Really? So it's at this very point in episode 9 that I realized that when I had Andy working for me, I filmed exclusively in time-lapse. So the sole purpose of this video clip that you're watching right now is basically just a transition from one group of time-lapses with a song to a different song and a different group of time-lapses. It's also enough time for you guys to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Thanks. A little to the left. Yeah, a little more that way.
This way?
This way?
That way?
No, your pants. Paint your pants.
Okay.
back in the shop again. This time I'm by myself. I'm sure you saw the footage. I actually hired a friend of mine to help out for a week. Well, actually, supposed to be 5 days, turned into 4 days. We got a lot done. As you can see, the fans are hooked up and running. The fans, I'm sure you saw in the video clip, they say Slickworks on them. Pretty stoked. Or they got the Slickworks eyes. Pretty stoked about that. But yeah, I had to let my friend go because he was showing up for work drunk, and we just can't have that here. So yeah, back to work, another day, more progress. Here we go. Okay, so I've just given the whole ceiling a second coat of paint. This side's still drying, but it looks so much better. It was like super blotchy over there. O'clock at night, going up for coat number 2, so I think it's probably a good time for a double shot of energy and coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a white shop, but I've just run out of paint. I painted this whole wall and I just ran out right about there. You see that line? Yeah, that's where I ran out of paint. So I gotta buy more paint. Current time is 1:14. Wow, where does the time go? So this is where we're at right now. The shop looks completely different. Yeah, oh, and by the way, my friend Andy, who I hired for those couple days, he never actually showed up drunk. I just wanted to, he's actually never had a drop of alcohol in his entire life. I just kind of wanted to give him a few minutes to send me a text like, you know, WTF, man, which, as we all know, stands for where's the facts? So there's the facts. He's never had a drop of booze in his life. So yeah, he's not a drunk, he's just a weirdo. Anyways, yeah, I gotta get more paint and then get back at it, but it's 1:15 in the morning, so I think I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then call it quits. So I was right about to upload this episode onto the YouTube land, and I just had to stop and go back and take a quick second here just to say thank you, Andy. I hope you took that prank well. You're a good man, and I really appreciate your hard work that you did for me there. So yeah, I hope you're not too choked about that. Andy's got a good sense of humor, so I'm sure he'll laugh it off. But yeah, anyways, thanks, dude. Back to the show. just waiting to come back to life. I just noticed something kind of cool about this car. Is these wheels, I don't know if I've seen this before, but there's a key in the middle, and then the spinner comes off, and then there's 2 rings of spokes, and those rings of spokes come off. And then once that's off, and there's this cap here, and underneath that cap is where the lug nuts bolt up. Very weird. Huh. Neat look though.
Alright everybody, well that's a wrap for this episode. I haven't done any video editing, so I don't know how long this episode's gonna be, or if I'm wrapping in like the middle of the episode or what. But anyways, next episode, that door should hopefully be changed to a beautiful roll-up door. And what I'm gonna start working on now is the Slickworks Eyes logo on there, so something to look forward to for the next episode. Yeah, whole shop's got 2 coats of beautiful white paint on it. The roof is painted, 2 coats of black. We got the fans installed, those are functioning. Things are looking good around here, so progress is continuing. And yeah, so thanks for watching guys. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, that would be a big help. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.
There's a 70 Challenger down there. Do you see it? Right there. Yeah, definitely a Challenger.